Hello everybody, this is Andrew Parnell with Earlybird, and today I want to talk about modeling accurate predictions for your dealership sales. Most dealership leaders, yourself included I'm sure, build some sort of basic predictions for a future month's sales. Now, normally this is limited to looking at financials from previous months or years, making some slight adjustments, and then penciling them in for future months. While there's nothing wrong with this method, it's fairly limited view of reality. You see, in the real world, sales change on the fly based on an incredibly complex number of factors. There are seasonal trends, market-wide trends, brand changes, marketing adjustments, all sorts of these things. The more of these factors that you can account for in your predictions, the more accurate those predictions will be. But unfortunately, having your CFO or business analyst go collect all this information and then work it into their Excel models manually isn't feasible. So the better approach is to use your cloud data platform to build these models dynamically. This sounds complicated, but at the high level, it's actually fairly simple. First, we start by setting up your basic cloud data platform. There's a previous video covering this topic, but essentially it allows you to have all the relevant data from your DMS organized in one place. Next, you decide which factors you want to include in your sales model. Historical data, seasonal data, market data, trends. We source all of these directly into your data platform. From there, we set up a model using all of these different factors and then set it up as a dynamic report that you can view anytime with one click. The other beautiful thing about this model is that it can calculate on the fly. So as the year goes on, all of that real data gets added into the model and it gets more and more accurate each time you run it. By having this predictive sales model automated and in the cloud, it not only dramatically increases the accuracy of your predictions, which allows you to make better decisions for your business, but also saves a ton of time for your CFO or analyst who can spend all that time instead on other strategic and actionable tasks for your dealership. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. If you want a little deeper dive on exactly the predictive model or questions on just how to get started, please let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Shoot me a quick email. Thanks.